Hi, how to check whether the hard disk is HDD or SDD, GPT partition or MBR partition. Here is the trick. Place your mouse on the Windows Start key and then right click. Now select the disk management. Here you can see the number of disks on your system. Here I have 3 disks including my pen drive. Click on the disk, right click, go to properties and then volumes. Here you can see the partition style, it is MBR. Disk 1, right click, properties, volumes, MBR. Similarly, disk 2, properties, volumes, and here you can see it is of type GPT. Which one is faster than the other? If you want your system to perform at higher speed or want higher performance, then go for GPT partition. All the new softwares and other additional tools on your new computer will work well on GPT partition than the MBR partition. If you find this video very useful and informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this.